Fakeness everywhere. We are being surrounded with fake people and fake news. So it is really difficult to decipher the truth from false. See guys, this is the best example of the fake news published in the Twitter. That is, Michelle Obama deletes Clinton from the Twitter. What do we do guys? But don't worry guys, we the techies are here to dig out the truth. Hello all, I am Merin Annie Vincent. I am an MTech student from St. Gibbs College of Engineering. Now I am an intern of Bennett University. As a part of internship under the initiative of LeadingIndia.ai and Bennett University, we have done a project namely Fake News Detection with a multi-modal framework using deep learning techniques. So, we were working as a team under the initiative of Mr. Rohit Kumar Kalia sir. So, let's get started this session by introducing rest of our team members.
Hello everyone, I'm Meet Savasani, currently pursuing my BTech from Marward University, Rajkot.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Sharma. I am from Galgotia University, Greater Noida.
Hello everyone, I am Aarti. I am currently pursuing my MTech in the stream of Computer Science Engineering from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Sharma and I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from PSIT College of Engineering. So let's start our presentation by introducing the problem statement.
Fake news is designed to deceive users. Most of us are depending on social media for getting recent news. But some people consider it as a platform for spreading fake news. So, it is imperative to prevent such fraudulent activities and to foster the credibility of such platforms. That's the social relevance of our project. Simply, our project aims to detect the fake news with the aid of the breakthrough technology called deep learning. Fake news are designed to deceive users. Most of us are depending on social media for getting news. So, it is imperative to prevent such fraudulent activities and to foster the credibility of such platforms. That's the social relevance of our project. Simply, our project aims to detect the fake news with the aid of the breakthrough technology called deep learning. We have divided our project into three parts. First one, data pre-processing. Second one, word embedding part. And the last one is the modeling part. So, let's get a quick overview of our project.
Hello everyone, I'm Meet Savasani. In our project, we have used three datasets which are fake news detection and COVID-19 fake news. In our first dataset, which is fake news, it consists of 20,800 rows and 5 columns which are ID, title, author, text and label. Each row is labeled with 1 and 0, 1 for fake news and 0 for real news. You can see the snippet of our dataset here. In our second dataset, which is fake news detection, it consists of 4009 rows and 4 columns which are URL, headline, body and label. The labeling is same as the previous dataset. In our third dataset, which is COVID-19 fake news, it consists of 50,000 rows and 5 columns which are date, URL, title, body and label. The labeling is same as the previous dataset. After selecting the datasets, the data has to be pre-processed. That is, we have to apply data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is that step in which data gets transformed or encoded to bring it to such a state that machine can parse it. That is, the features of the data can be easily interpreted by the algorithm or the model. So the main steps involved in the data pre-processing are converting data into lowercase, removing punctuations, tokenization, stemming and glove word embedding. In this particular project, we have used glove word embedding because it gives better result as it creates a co-occurrence matrix by establishing a relationship between two words in the corpus. That is, how many times word I occurs in context of word J. The deep learning techniques or the models which we have used are LSTM, CNN, Deep CNN and multi-channel CNN.
Here Ananya, we have prepared a model on fake news detection where I will talk about CNN in this model. CNN consists of dense layer, flattened layer. It is based on the accuracy. It works on the building a network. It gives the fully connected layers. We have used the hyperparameters epoch. We have given the value 15, batch size 128 and drop out rate 0.5, and we have used function layer softmax. In CNN, our first data set gives the model accuracy 99% with the test case 2080 with the correct prediction 2067.0. For second data set, we have accuracy of model 97% with the test case 2080 with the correct prediction 2019.0. And with the third data set, that is our last data set, we have 69% with the test case example 4998 and the correct prediction 3491.
We have implemented 4 models to detect fake news. One of them is the LSTM model, that is long short-term memory model. This model is well efficient for sequential data, especially in text classification. Figure in this slide depicts the LSTM model summary. Model consists of an embedding layer, an LSTM layer, and 4 dense layers. Last dense layer is the output layer, which consists of 2 nodes, which is able to predict whether the news is fake or not. And the model is tested on 3 different datasets. On dataset 1, model delivered an accuracy of 95.4%. On dataset 2, model gave 98.48% accuracy, whereas model gave 98.11% accuracy on dataset 3.
Hello, this is Aarti.
Here I am going to explain a novel model for fake news classification, that is the Deep Convolution Neural Network, also known as the Deep CNN. Deep CNN can be used efficiently for text classification with glove word embedding. As you see it on the screen, the Deep CNN has structure similar to CNN, but the only difference is that it has more number of convolution and dense layers. By increasing the number of layers, the model becomes more efficient and deeper for classification. In the model developed, there are 3 convolution layers and 3 dense layers. The 3 convolution layers and dense layers have different filter sizes such as 256, 128 and 64. The last dense layer has size 2, which is used to classify the fake from the real news. Now, to move towards the individual performance of the Deep CNN, the training accuracy achieved is 99.6% and testing accuracy is 96.5% for dataset 1. For dataset 2, the training accuracy is 99.4% and testing accuracy is 95.5%.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Sharma, and here we have implemented multi-channel CNN for detecting fake news by text classification method. This model is a special type of CNN which is well efficient for text classification as well as for image processing. In this model, the network is expanded by adding multiple convolutional neural networks in parallel which read the text with different kernel sizes. It contains 3 separate CNNs, output of which is merged into one by concatenate layer, which is further passed through 2 dense layers before producing any final result. The model is trained and tested on 3 datasets. On dataset 1, the model delivered an accuracy of 99.99%. On dataset 2, the model gave an accuracy of 100% and an accuracy of 99.72% was produced by the model on third dataset. So after analyzing the results produced by different models which were implemented, namely CNN, Deep CNN, LSTM and multi-channel CNN, we came to a conclusion that models produced good test and train accuracy on all 3 datasets. This gives us an effective approach to classify fake and legitimate news. Even if limited data is available for training, it works with same effectiveness and on different datasets with consistency.